Come test drive the 2019 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.